Hello friends, today I am going to talk about Crataegus. In the end of this video, I will tell you where I repeatedly use this remedy. So let's see its mind symptoms first. The mind symptoms of the Crataegus are that the patient of Crataegus is very irritable, very irritable, easily excited patient. There is a weakness and dullness of mind present in this remedy. It is mainly a heart remedy. Heart diseases are treated under the name of Crataegus. There will be myocarditis, there will be valvular insufficiency, there will be fatty degeneration of the heart, hypertrophy of the heart, dilation of the heart, cyanosis, and all that diseases. So, in the region of the chest, there will be stitching and oppression in the region of heart, especially under the left lobe. There will be suppressing pain. There will be pain under the left clavicle, and if you see, we find cardiac dyspnea in Crataegus. Here, please do take care, because the cardiac dyspnea of Crataegus is worse by least exertion without changing the rate of pulse. We find this same symptom in the remedy digitalis. So you have to compare the symptom with digitalis. And along with cardiac dyspnea, we find cough, the cardiac cough. And we all know that Naja is very beautiful homeopathic remedy for cardiac cough. So we have to compare Naja with Crataegus as well. Same as in the case of hypertrophy of the heart. I have seen cases of constitutional remedies like aurum, arsenicum album, and phosphorus. If you take the symptoms carefully, then you will find one of these remedies, the constitutional remedy of the patient, most of the time. And hypertrophy of the heart is also present. We find in the remedies like cactus and digitalis. So you have to compare all these remedies with Crataegus as well. There is a if we see the symptoms of the skin, there will be profuse sweat, profuse perspiration with eruption. In the materia medicas, we see three places for the eruptions: the burning and smarting eruption of the Crataegus. The first one is back of the neck, which I found in many cases. The other one are and the eruption on axilla and on the chin. Then we see that there is a stool. After the stool, there will be palpitation in the patients of Crataegus. And if we see the symptoms of urine, there will be excess of phosphate and traces of albumin in the urine. There can be sugar in the urine, and specifically it can be used for the diabetes of the children. And then we see that the other symptoms, the modalities of the Crataegus, that it is aggravated in the warm room and it is ameliorated in the open air by being quiet and by rest. So all these are the symptoms of Crataegus. Now I tell you where I use Crataegus most of the time. We have cases of hypertension and high cholesterol level, so many cases in the city life. So if there is a patient who has this high triglycerides, raised cholesterol level, and with hypertension, so you prescribe this remedy, the Crataegus in the Q potency, 8 to 10 drops, morning and evening, or thrice a day. It will work magically. It takes 3 to 5 months and it will cure the patient. It is very beautiful homeopathic remedy to control the hypertension with the irregularity of the heart and raised cholesterol level. We see insomnia along with hypertension, and I have seen most of the time there will not be any any of the symptom of the hypertension. The only symptom which I have seen so far is the dizziness along with hypertension in the patients. So if you prescribe hypertension with high cholesterol level, Crataegus Q, it works wonderful. So this was Crataegus, and this is all for today.